Come up here now. This one I say, I don't want to know. Yes,
so, welcome back viewers and subscribers. We're out here with the right at the transportation, under the transportation hub. We're out here at the bus park. And we're gonna speak with the president of the NATO Transportation Eastern St.THOMAS Taxi Association. We're gonna speak with him this morning because we have some issues where the fare increase, where the public seem like them don't understand it. So we'll see if we can get some better clarification about the fare increase, people. So stick and stay and follow me. Some of you and sub, I'm here with the president of the Eastern Taxi Association. You can introduce yourself?
Yeah, Kurt Brown, president of the Eastern St.THOMAS Taxi Association.
Yeah, and we have some issues out here where the fare increase. The St.THOMAS public seem to have some problem in analyzing it. And people are complaining to me, say, they don't understand how it's structured and the right price, especially up in a Whitehall. Some people up in a Prospect, you know, and some people down in a White Horses. And even as far as Yalas, people are saying to me, say, they don't understand it. So can you put any clarification to it?
Yes, sir. All right. We get an increase on the 15th of October of this year, 2023. And the increase is 19% on the previous fare. So on the fare sheet that I have right here for Whitehall, it is saying the cost for MORANT to Whitehall of 13 kilometer distance is $200. So we can get this straight now from MORANT to Whitehall according to the fare sheet.
So as according to the and this
the transport authority fare sheet.
The transport authority from MORANT
to Whitehall.
To Whitehall.
Yes.
200 Jamaican dollars.
Yes.
Okay.
See, but at the same time, you have to read the fine print.
Yeah.
Because down below on the fare sheet it talk about the calculation of the base rate.
Yeah.
And the kilometer.
Yeah.
Per the amount per kilometer.
Yeah.
So the base rate is $113 and you add $7 per kilometer as you travel.
Yeah.
So you know one of the more important problem we have where a lot of persons do not know the boundaries, or even some of the operators. We need to know the boundaries of some of each one of these communities.
Yeah.
So when we are doing our calculation, we do not make any mistake.
Okay.
You see.
So you find say people like them don't know where the boundary stop.
That's right.
Okay. So them go further on beyond the boundary.
Here you go.
I expect to pay the same amount.
Here you go, because you when you travel from here to Seaford, and then you have Seaford Square.
Yeah.
But Seaford do not stop finish at Seaford Square.
Yeah.
Seaford go for as far as up to the Seaford Bridge.
Yeah.
You see, so you have to know the boundaries.
Yeah.
You see, even if you are traveling from here or by Prospect.
Yeah.
Because you have the fare from MORANT to license where it is $140.
Yeah.
And then the community next to license is Retreat,
Yeah.
and it's $160.
Yeah.
And then the community from Retreat to Prospect is $170. So you have to know the boundaries.
So you have to know the boundaries.
When you go over into that community.
Okay. So like round a Bath, running at the Far East, like Bath. What the fare structure like to go around a Bath?
Alright.
And maybe Sunny Hill, them Far East coming to them.
From MORANT to Bath, and the fare sheet here, I will say, it's at $280.
$280.
And it is 24.1 kilometer.
Okay.
You see? And also Air Castle, because a lot of the passengers keep on asking what's the fare from MORANT to Air Castle.
Yeah.
And it's $240.
$240.
Yes, and the fare sheet here.
Okay.
But MORANT to Seaford is $180.
Okay.
And it go on.
Yeah. So if you should have lived around Dalvey, Golden Grove, that side,
Yeah.
Those are the far community, them far from MORANT there and thing. What the structure is like on that side?
Alright. MORANT Bay to Bowling Grove of 22.7 kilometers is $270.
Okay.
As for MORANT Bay to Bowling Grove.
The Bowling Grove.
And from MORANT Bay to Dalvey of 24.1 kilometers, it's $280.
$280.
Yes, $280. So, and you have to go as far as MORANT Bay to Barking Lodge, where that is 30 kilometers of $320.
Okay.
MORANT Bay to Barking Lodge.
So the public are listen and thing. And the taxi driver, what you have to tell the taxi drivers then, because they still have to use them discretion, you know, as them, because it's hard for the public also for even find the increase. So what you have to tell the taxi driver them in that regard?
Yes, we as the operators and even the drivers, we need to learn about the fare table so we can sensitize the passengers, you know, so they can understand how it works.
And maybe them should have some sheet to where them can show the passenger if there is a dispute in the vehicle.
Yeah,
because like the paper we have in front of
that's why we print the sheets.
Yeah.
And we give them out both to the public and to the drivers.
Okay.
So we send it on their phone, we WhatsApp it on their phone.
Yeah.
And some we give it and print the sheet and we hand it out.
I'm going to put it up on my screen also that the commuting public can also see it.
Yes, that would appreciate that.
Yeah. And in overall, since the bus fare increase, you find any issue away from maybe one and two communities where complain? You find any major issue where that's it?
No, not in St. Thomas.
Okay.
We don't have no major issue in St. Thomas. Probably one community or two. We have a little issue with MORANT Bay to Whitehall and MORANT Bay to Johnstown.
Yeah.
Yeah. Only those are two communities we have issues with.
No other community?
No other community we have any issues with at this time.
And we see where the taxi association, especially in Kingston, are complaining about extortion.
Yes.
Them are complaining about extortion. Do you got that problem here in St. Thomas?
No, we don't have no extortion problem in St. Thomas.
Okay.
You see. Now we can't even afford. This is a poor parish. No, we're going to pay extortion money. We can't even afford to pay. But let's go pay extortion.
So basically what you're getting from is that overall the taxi thing, the transition and the fare increase and everything seem to be moving smoothly.
Yes. And I hope coming in April when we get the extra 16%, we do not have any problem also at that time.
Well, I hope that gas can go down to by them time then.
Hopeful.
So we thank you for the little input. And as we wrap it up, do you have any last thing you would want to say to the public?
Yes. I want to encourage the public that when you are traveling on the bus or the taxi, see, we can travel with the exact fare now. So we can, alleviate the problem.
The change.
Yes.
The silver, the silver is some problem now,
Even if you have the fare sheet and you get it on your phone and you know where you're traveling to and you know the right amount of fare, the correct fare, travel that amount.
Yeah, so you make it easier for the driver to make the change.
Yes, and last but not least, for the schoolers, because you know that every adult fare, the schoolers pay half. Not just the schoolers alone, but also the senior citizen and the disabled. You see, they pay half fare. So I just, I implore the driver to bear in mind with the schoolers. Make sure you collect half of the adult fare.
Okay, so it's stipulated by law.
Yes, it's right here.
Okay. Where it says the adult and the disabled.
Yes,
Not the adults, sorry, the children and the disabled.
In uniform.
Yeah. In uniform, very important.
Senior citizen.
In uniform.
In uniform.
Yeah.
But we can use our discretion because just one little 6 or 10-year-old. You know that's a child. So half year. Even with half out of uniform.
So you use the discretion. So thank you so much for that run up, and I hope the public get a lot of understanding and the way forward.
Well, I hope it's a help to them, and thank you.
All right.